Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Although a lot of people did not watch the previous video, a lot of people have not been watching my content in general. Like, I'm not complaining, I'm just stating facts. Please watch my sorry. So the last video, it was a haul video, Nykaa haul video, and we had to delete it because of an error. There were actually two errors. Number one, I gave the description of one of the products completely wrong, and I do not want to misinform people. I also did not want to, put that pinned comment that, okay, that is wrong and this is right, because a lot of people don't even read comments or pinned comments. So that was one. And secondly, in that video, I did mention that every Friday a new upload will come from me on this channel. That has been changed to Wednesday. So hi guys, happy Wednesday. I'm here. Today is Wednesday and I am gonna actually see you on this channel every Wednesday for sure. I'm fixing a day for my uploads. I said the same thing in the last video as well, but this is final. Like, this is full and final. Every Wednesday there will be a video from me. It could be a beauty video, it could be a vlog, it could be a quick video, not shorts, because shorts is something that I will be posting throughout the week randomly. Wednesday I'm keeping for long form content. I have started vlogging quite a bit, and that's why I recently invested in this vlogging setup. If I do manage to make a lot of vlogs, then I will definitely decide a day for vlogs as well. But for now, once a week, which is Wednesday, will be long form content day. Today I'm quickly going to show you a blush hack which has worked so well for me, guys. It is so good. It is such a good hack. If you do follow me on Instagram, then you probably already know what this hack is about, because I did make a reel on it, but I like this hack so much that I wanted to make a proper video on it and actually, sit down and explain it to you properly. Anyway guys, now without further ado, let's jump into the video. First thing that we need to do for this is apply the foundation and concealer. I'm going to do that quickly. I'm using Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydra Foundation and MAC Concealer. I'll leave the shade names in the description box. Once your foundation and concealer is done, you need to grab a lipstick, a creamy lipstick. Please don't use liquid lipsticks or transfer proof lipsticks, because those are going to be really difficult to blend. And this hack does not work with transfer proof lipsticks. It only works the best with bullet lipsticks, creamy or matte. Now the one which I'm using is from Nykaa. It's from their Paint Sticks range, and this is in the shade Rock and Roll. It is a burgundy sort of a color. You can of course experiment with different kinds of shades, but I prefer to use the darker ones because they show up the most. Usually a lot of people like to use their lipstick as a blush. They would put the lipstick like this, like directly on their skin, or they would take it on their finger and then apply it. That is really unhygienic, guys. And because lipstick is something that you also use on the lips, so don't like put your hand into it or apply it directly on your face on top of the foundation or on top of your skincare. What you can do to maintain hygiene is grab a lip brush, take the shade on the lip brush and then apply it like this. I do need to apply a little more lipstick, so I am going to clean this brush with a tissue paper, with a clean tissue paper. Again, dip it in the lipstick and put one more stroke of it. The next thing that you need to do is grab your concealer again and put just one stroke of concealer on top of your blush. It's like a cross. Now we are going to blend this. I completely forgot that the camera does not catch blushes a lot. Now here in the mirror, this is looking perfect, but I know on the camera this is looking lighter. So I will build it. I am going to go through the same process again and build this a little more. I'm done applying the blush on both sides, and honestly this already looks so good. Now I have not set my base yet. I am going to set it now. I'm using e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. I have set my base, and guys, I wanted to give you a closer look of how neat and natural the blush is looking. I'm not the kind of person who likes too many hacks, but this hack is something which I love. I've been doing it a lot lately. It can turn any cream lipstick, any bullet lipstick into a blush, and it just gives a really well blended finish. Try it out and let me know if it works for you or not. It works really well for me, guys. So I'm sure it's gonna work well for you. I'll finish off the rest of my makeup off camera. I'm not going to touch up the blush. I'll just put on a nice lip color and finish up my brows and eyes and stuff. Okay, there are a few things which I need to finish. So I'm gonna do all that and get back. My makeup is complete and this is the final finish, guys. I did a bit of contouring and only added a highlighter on my face. I have not touched up the blush at all. Honestly, there won't be any point of this video if I keep doing touch-ups off camera. So I've not touched the blush at all. Only added highlighter and did my contouring. It looks good, right? It looks so neat, so natural and so pretty. I like this hack so much, that's why I wanted to share it with you and I was excited to share it with you. Anyway guys, with this we have come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also check out our brand, House of Sharom. We've got a bunch of amazing high quality things. I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comment of the comment section below as always, and if you do like something then please consider buying it. Also, I do post a lot of short form content on my Instagram handle, so you can consider following me on Instagram as well. The link of my handle will also be in the pinned comment of the comment section below. I'm gonna go now. You take care of yourself and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.